Woo! I'm excited because today it's a beautiful day. Where are we at, Marcus?
We are at Kings Landing, and we're gonna get in a canoe. We're gonna go down the Wekiva River and show you some beautiful natural Florida. And while we're out, we're gonna have some salmon. And Linda, what'd you bring for food?
Oh, come on now. I got some salmon to grill. We've got zucchini, red onions, and then also some sweet potato fries, and of course, broccoli microgreens. Dun, dun, dun.
So we'll see you in the water.
Hope you enjoy. Enjoy a beautiful day on the river. Plan to spend the day while enjoying canoeing, kayaking, or paddleboarding the Wekiva River. Pack a lunch, some cold drinks, and enjoy. If you forget anything, they have a bait and tackle shop. And if you really want to spend some time on the river, they do offer camping. The river provides natural habitat for many types of wildlife, including several designated as endangered or threatened. When you're kayaking the river, imagine how the Timucauan Indians fished and hunted the lands who valued the abundance of the wildlife in this area. These Native Americans lived here before the arrival of the Spanish in 1513. You can still see the mounds or the kitchen middens along the Wekiva River and Rock Springs Run. The mounds are the only visible remains of their presence on the reserve. There's so much history and beauty on this river you can appreciate on your journey. I hope you have an amazing time at Kings Landing on the Wekiva River. We hope you enjoy watching our river journey with our microgreens. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell. You all enjoy this beautiful day. A nice little lunch for tomorrow's river run. We're gonna go to Kings Landing and enjoy 2 miles of nothing but beautiful water. So I hope you enjoyed the journey. What I'm prepping today is our salmon. I have a grilled salmon. It's gonna be crusted with some sea salt, black pepper, oregano, and garlic. And then for the vegetables, I'm gonna slice some zucchini, some red onion. I'm going to make some sweet potato fries. I have a pinch of ginger I'm going to dice, and a pinch of turmeric I'm going to dice for the salmon. And then I do have, of course, the microgreens, broccoli microgreens we're going to take and enjoy on the river run. Oh, and just to point out, I have a clove of garlic sitting in hot water. It helps to go ahead and peel the skin off of it and easily dice it. So I've cut my zucchini into little fries. I'll put them in a Ziploc bag with my red onions. Next, my sweet potato fries. And I'll wrap these in some aluminum foil and drizzle olive oil, sea salt, and pepper on them. And I'll fold these up because these will go on the grill just like this. so delicious. Some sweet potato fries on the river. All right, so I'll just dice this ginger, little slices actually, along with the turmeric and the garlic. This will go on top of the salmon once we get there and it's almost done cooking. It'll be so good.
red onions, turmeric, ginger, garlic, salmon, all going on right here. But look, there's more. Look at this beautiful green earth that God's given us. Pretty.